Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the firmware version on the MOBVOI TicNote AI voice recorder. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the TicNote app and make sure that our TicNote has been paired with the app. And after that, we're going to press on recordings and then press on the top left on our TicNote. And here we have the firmware version. So you can also press on it to check if it's up to date and possibly update it if it isn't. And that's about it. So my version is version 007. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.